Hey, welcome back to Holt Garage. Thanks to all the men and women of uniform who have served or are currently serving, and also special shout out to all the first responders. Appreciate y'all service. Let's get right into it. Alright, so today's the day. I finally did it. So I finally got a 3-inch exhaust put on this truck. It sounds really good. I'm gonna crawl under here and show y'all what I did. Kind of pieced it together. Got the muffler from Summit Racing, and then I also got these tips from Summit Racing as well. Alright, so like I said, I got a 3-inch exhaust put on. This is the stock catalytic converter, which I'll probably swap out for a high flow cat pretty soon, but for now that's gonna have to stay. So here's where I started. We started with these pipes, 3-inch single in dual out set up here. Sorry for the lighting. Gonna have to move it down as I go, but I just got it put on. It sounds really good. So this muffler is a Max Flow Jones muffler. So like I said, I got it from Summit Racing. I'll put the part number in the video, but it is a true 3-inch single in, 3-inch dual out, which is actually kind of hard to find, believe it or not. So like I said, this is an exhaust, Jones exhaust Max Flow muffler. It's an 18-inch casing. It's still pretty quiet because it's 18 inches long, but you know, it's still got a little rumble to it. Single in, dual out is pretty much your go-to setup on these, you know, I would say like late model Chevys, Dodges, Fords, you know, whatever you got, because typically you got a plastic gas tank over there on that side, so you don't want to disrupt that at all. But anyway, single in, dual out is usually your kind of a go-to setup. So I got this muffler for, I believe it was $62.50 off of Summit Racing, and it says that it is a stainless steel muffler. So we're gonna see. I'm assuming it's a lower quality just because it's kind of a budget MagnaFlow is what I'm assuming, but it really sounds good. I'll let you guys hear it in a little bit. I did go to the local muffler shop. They charged me about $90 to put these hangers on and then run these dual pipes out, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So they did go up pretty high with the bends there, the radiuses. So on both sides you can see. Let me kind of go over that way and I'll show you guys. Okay, so here's over the back axle. Like I said, they bent it up pretty good right there. Got these tips right here from Summit. They're just 4-inch chrome tips. They turned out really nice. Got both of these for $55 on Summit, so pretty good deal. Pretty much a complete exhaust system for, you know, what, $250. So anyway, let's see how this sucker sounds. Alright, so here's a cold start of the 89 with the Jones Max Flow. so sounds pretty good. It's pretty quiet inside. I'll put you guys in the cab and let you hear it, and then we'll do a little drive-by and then a little road test noise inside the truck too. Alright, so this is inside the cab, just at idle. Give it a little throttle. It's pretty quiet in here. Alright, let's go for a little cruise and you guys can hear it inside. Okay, so we're in cab of the single in dual out Jones max flow. So we'll kind of go out here and a little bit farther out, and then we'll do a standing run, and then we'll do a drive-by as well. Alright, so we're back from the test drive. Sounds pretty good. I think that's going to do it today, guys. Let me know what you think about this new exhaust. And I'll see you in the next one.